vape juice in that bag.
Well, we found this baby on the highway. So now we are looking for her owners. But we found a lady that we think is going to take her and figure out things. So she said that she thinks she knows who the owner is. So we're going to leave her with her. She's really nice. But this baby's so cute. She's so cute. She was running loose on the highway, so I couldn't leave her. Couldn't do it. So my dogs are pissed off at me right now, but she's got a collar on, but no tags. She's got a flea collar on. I don't know. So we grabbed her on a leash, and she's with us right now. So that's what we're doing. Well, you're going on YouTube, so.
Alright. We got a little bit of this, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this.
Cool.
And then we have one of these.
There you go. Well, we are back from the strip, he's letting the dogs out right now, so we're just gonna chill, hang out, pack up for our last night in this. Hold on. Okay, sorry. Anyways, I think he's gonna edit a vlog. He locked himself out of the room. But anyways, I think he's gonna edit a vlog, and then we're just gonna chill and hang out in the hotel, and we're gonna pack up because it's a disaster. So I will see you tomorrow because this is gonna be the next thing that happens is tomorrow. So, morning.
Morning.
Tried to pull over. Hit a thunderstorm. We don't know whose dock this is, but we were not about to drive in that thunderstorm. Now it's clearing up. That was like the fastest storm ever. Literally like 2 minutes. Almost done, I think. That's the sun right there. It's freaking bright out now. Yeah. Yeah, that was a fast storm. I don't know, but we magically found this for sale slip, so we might give that a call. Huh. Come here, Har. Well, came to a new dock. It's right across from Indian Point, which is right over there. It's pretty cool. It's got some swings in it. You know how this thing works, girl? Well, it's definitely not the sunniest day out here, but it's still a nice calm lake day, I guess. We're just kind of relaxing. It's Sunday again. I hate Sundays. That means I have to work tomorrow, but yeah, we're just chilling at this dock, so. Spot? You've never been on a swing before. Do you love it? It's relaxing, huh? And look at your view. Do you like that swing? You like that swing? Yeah? You like it? Hi, handsome. Bronx is trying to jump off. He's trying to get around Daddy. I'm not letting you in either. What, are you mad? You mad, bro? No. No! Wait. You ready to go bye-bye? You wanna go? Yeah. Come on, let's go. You coming? Come on. I know, it's rough. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Good boy.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Y'all thank you to do. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Please like and subscribe to this motherfucker. We just get paid. We don't have to work. We just do this all day.
That would be the life, huh?
This right here, just yeah. That'd be great. Alright, ready to go.
I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We're gonna pack up and head home because these men are so tired. These are sleepy babies. So I hope you enjoyed this and we will see you on the next one.